Hello backers, and basically a warm welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'll be doing salmon and dill and courgette linguine. But as always, if you're new to the channel, please, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment, because that certainly helps with the algorithm. So the main stars of the show are some courgettes, chopped spring onions, and some garlic and herb cheese, and of course the main stars of the show, some linguine. Okay, so just season a pan of hot water that's been boiled in the kettle, and bring the water to the boil. Okay, so I'm going to put the linguine in, and it's overlapping, but that's okay. Just push it in further and it should melt. It should melt a bit, allowing it to bend. Okay, so don't forget to stir it from every now and then. Okay. Right, in the meantime I'm cooking the courgette for a good couple of minutes. Okay, so I'm going to add the salmon now. And cook further. And it should be cooked for, the salmon should be cooked for about 2 minutes, give or take. Okay, so I'm putting the steaming hot pasta to the side for the time being. I've also added some of the spring onions as well. Okay, so I've stirred in the pasta to a pan. Now I'm adding the garlic and herb and cheese. I've mixed that in. I'm going to do a couple of tablespoons of dill in, and mix that in. Another tablespoon of that, and that was just 1 tablespoon. And really I should have really, you're supposed to have white wine in it, but I've omitted that. So there you have it. There's your salmon, courgette and dill linguine. Okay, so yet again that brings us to an end of another video. Okay, do remember to like and subscribe and comment if you enjoyed this video, and also do check out the the my social media links in the descriptions below. And also, if you want to learn to cook, and whether or not you're autistic, do remember, I have your